An instant way to raise your frequency is to connect with nature. Being in nature is a lovely way to boost your mood and bring more bliss, joy, love, happiness, and a deep sense of peace into your energy field. The natural world is beaming with light and full of life. Each time you step outside into nature, you will experience something different and something new. You might meet an insect or an animal that you've never seen before, or you may stumble upon a plant or flower that catches your attention. You might be at the beach or a park, or even the Everglades, and experience an amazing adventure during your time there. Nature is such a powerful force in the world. It affects us all in various ways. It is always growing, changing, and surrounding everyone all over the whole world. The oceans, jungles, forests, deserts, mountains, valleys, rivers, lakes, savannas, and all other natural environments have mystical and magical elements to them that can be experienced by anyone who wishes to explore them. Just by stepping outside into nature, your energy field will be instantly uplifted and magnified. Swimming in the ocean or even walking around near a bay will make you feel amazing. Even watching a sunset, staring at clouds, or at the stars will bring you such a lovely feeling of peace and connection to the universe. The natural world is so vast and expansive, and you are lucky to be able to live in such a beautiful planet. Do not limit yourself to spending too much time indoors. As humans in modern society, we tend to get comfortable in our homes and other buildings. You might not realize how important it is to take time to enjoy being outside in nature. Your physical and mental health depend on this, though, because we need to relax, refresh, breathe fresh air, and have contact with animal and plant spirits in order to flourish and thrive. Plants are mystical ancient beings who live in this physical dimension. All throughout my life, I have felt a deep sense of connection and appreciation and understanding for plants and the natural world. I am one with the trees, the ocean, the rocks, the sky, the moon, grass, flowers, and all living beings who live in the vastness of nature. I feel infinite gratitude and happiness whenever I am able to see a plant, and I feel lucky to even be in its presence. Simply putting your back up to a tree or hugging it will give you a very deep feeling of infinite love, happiness, peace, and alignment. Your chakras will feel instantly balanced, and any toxic energy you had absorbed throughout the day will be lifted away from you. The sense of release you can feel is just magical. This is also why spending time climbing trees and sitting in them is so beneficial on a physical and spiritual level. You will gain power from spending time with trees as well. Spending time in nature is not only free for anyone who wishes to access higher vibrations of reality, but of course it's available for everyone on this whole planet. If you want to live abundantly, just how there's so much abundance in nature, a great thing to do is have love and gratitude into your life. Using these powerful forces and asking the universe to help you manifest your dreams will make you like a giant magnet. Your vibration will be giving off the signal that attracts those very things into your experience. Ask for what you want and you will receive it. When you are grateful for every single thing you already have, you are holding the high vibration of gratitude into your energy field. Gratitude attracts greater abundance of all things to you so that your needs and your desires will always be fulfilled. Since thoughts are what create our reality, it makes sense that having grateful thoughts and feelings will bring blessings into our reality. Allowing things in your life to flow is a choice, a conscious decision. If you want to change the way you see life, you must stop trying to control everything and you must let go. Once you surrender and stop fighting the current and just flow with the waves, the universe will wash you up on the shores of your dreams, and you will simply be able to live and embrace the real you and live an amazing existence on this planet in this moment. everything will begin falling into place and aligning with your true desires and manifestations. So next time you feel stuck or not being able to go with the flow, go into nature and spend some time with animals and plants, and trust me, things will definitely start moving again because you're going to be more connected and aligned with your true nature and your true inner self and higher self. I hope these beautiful pictures of the abundant Everglades inspires and uplifts all of you who are watching.